Hi, welcome to Mariel Beats and Beyond. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful ring. It's really quick, easy to make, and I really like it. I think it turned out great. It's really pretty. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. The only materials that we're going to need: wire 22 gauge, and we're going to need one candy bead. For this one, I use this 8mm cabochon. It has two holes, so you can use either one of them. For tools, you're just gonna use your flash cutters and your flat nose pliers. To start, you're gonna grab your candy and you're gonna pass your wire through one of the holes, and then right away you're gonna grab the other end of your wire and you're gonna pass it through the other hole. Also, to make this ring, we're gonna need a ring mandrel. So what you want to do is you need to be pulling your wire both sides, like you pull a little bit on one side and then you put a little bit on the other side. If you pull one side only, it's gonna get stuck and you're not gonna be able to continue pulling your wire. So remember, you pull one side and then you pull the other side. Okay, then you're gonna put it in your ring mandrel depending on what size you want. So once you have the size that you want, you are going to grab one of the sides and you're just gonna bring it towards you against the bead. You need to make sure it's against the bead. Once you reach the other wire, then you're gonna grab the other wire and you're gonna do the same thing. So then you're just gonna continue. You're gonna put your finger on top, and once you get to the other wire, you're gonna grab the next wire and you're gonna do the same thing. Okay, if you like it like that, you can end it like that. See, depends what do you want. See, this one I made it like really big, so you can wrap it the way you want to. When you like it, then you can stop. As you can see, I just got to the wire and then I'm gonna grab the next wire and do the same thing with that wire. Once I get to the other wire, I'm going to do the next wire. And when you think that's enough, then you can stop. As you can see, it's really easy to make and really quick. See, if I like it like that, I just stop right there. So I'm gonna continue a little bit. I reach the other wire, so now I'm going to grab the next wire. Until you decide that that's what you want. If you're happy with the result, then you can stop. Okay, so at this point, I think I like it like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my ring. So the way you're gonna do it, this wire is too long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. And then I'm just gonna pass it under the ring. And right here, it's gonna be optional. Like, you can just pull it as much as you can. And if you don't mind this showing this way, that's fine. But what I want is I want mine to go like under. So I'm just gonna press it under. As you can see, it's under. What I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna pass my wire under one more time. and this time I'm just gonna push it down. I can cut my wire now. If you want to wrap it around more, that's up to you. This is just an idea. So I'm just gonna squish it and I'm going to tuck it in where I can feel that it's not sharp enough. So then with this one, I'm just gonna continue. Same thing, I'm gonna cut my wire because it's too long. I'm gonna just pass it under in between. And if your ring gets all like bad, don't worry about it, because remember, we can always put it in the mandrel and fix it. So as you can see, right now I can cut this wire and I'm just going to tack the end in. And there you have it. So now you just put it back. All you want to do is straighten it a little bit. And there you go. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my channel, please subscribe, give a thumbs up. Until next time.